Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to find the content that you wish to capture. I will be using settings as an example for this. So there we go, I'm going to open it up, and once it's open and visible on your screen, you just press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a simple click. You will get this weird animation around the borders, and you will get a pop-up at the bottom showing you that you have captured your screenshot. Now in here we have a couple options. We can capture a scrollable screenshot, we can edit it, we can tag it, and we can share it. And this will stay open the first time around. Later on, once you capture your screenshot again, it will then disappear basically after like about a second or so. Now, all of these options are basically self-explanatory, but I did want to touch upon the scrollable screenshot, which is the first little icon right here. So tap on it, and you'll see that it kind of starts scrolling, just a single like slide every time you tap on it. And once you are satisfied with however far down it went, you can just disregard it and it should disappear. Or not. Oh, there we go. So let's see. That screenshot should be now located in our gallery application, so I'm going to open it up. And as you can see, there is our scrollable screenshot. So it is significantly longer than the normal one. Now when you capture your screenshot by pressing these two buttons, it captures it initially, and then if you decide to make it scrollable, it will replace it with a scrollable, so long version of it instead of the short one. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.